Hi guys, we're trying to figure out why when you open the door on the Toyota Camry it started beeping, and it's very strange. It started beeping all the time. Trying this switch over here. We'll figure out what's happened. That's annoying beep that it shows that the door is open basically, but shouldn't make that sound. So if we try to open the other doors, it doesn't make any sound. If we open the front door, it started beeping. Hi guys, welcome back. So here, how I solved the problem, which is absolutely crazy. Now the door is open and the light is on over there that the door is open, but it's no beeping sound. So basically I checked the trunk. The light is not on when it's closed. I check it from inside right here from the back seat, and turns out that I have to open and close every door, and basically that solved the problem. I open all the doors, and this one basically was the problem, that it's giving some issue probably with the sensor that the door is open, and right now everything is fixed, hopefully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to watch more videos like that. But problem solved. Have a great day, guys.